Meanwhile... Yes, Commissioner?
What's up? Come on, players, stop hating. Stop participating. Come on, twinkle, twinkle, baby.
To the bat post.
There's Dwayne. He's got headaches today. There he is. So anyway, I'm gonna do a lot more grinding, got more work to put into the truck, so another day of grinding. Let's get it. Still more cleanup work on the chassis, grinding down all the welds from the factory mounts we cut off. With the ball joints maxing out, I'll need to add an additional 2 inches to the cross member so that the front end of the chassis will lay out.
Jeez. Okay, sorry about that, folks. Hopefully that'll be edited out.
Yeah, that was really not professional.
And more grinding. While the welds are cooling down, I'll start the cleanup on the cutouts I made on the lower control arms. Now that the addition's cooled down, I can weld it to the front cross member. Onto the upper control arms. Now that the heim joints are mounted where we want them, it's time to build the gussets to reinforce them. Before we add them on, Dwayne's going to weld everything underneath solid.
and one last gusset for the bottom of the upper control arms.
Hurry up already!
Baby looking all clean for the car meet mañana, homie. They're trying to put me on, homie. They're like, check in. I feel all fast and furious right now, homie. All Toretto, homie. That's right.